Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Composite functions get people fast, but this one is quick if you track the chain rule carefully and read the table in order.
Since h of x equals g of f of x, use the chain rule. H prime of x equals g prime of f of x times f prime of x, which sets...
Now plug in x equals 2, so h prime of 2 becomes g prime of f of 2 times f prime of 2, which means you only need those table values.
From the table, substitute the matching values and multiply the two factors, and boom, h prime of 2 equals 10, so the result is locked.
Well done! Option C! Scan now. Trap, rushing signs and values. Rule, trust the given table and check steps before multiplying.